Meaning of dedication.
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 Dedication. Dedication refers to the quality of being committed to a particular task or cause. It involves investing significant effort, time, and resources towards achieving a specific goal or objective. A dedicated individual is passionate about their work, and they ensure that they give their best to accomplish their objectives. Successful dedication results in achieving one's goals, gaining recognition for one's efforts, and experiencing a sense of personal satisfaction. Dedication can also inspire others around them to work harder and strive towards achieving their own goals.